College of Midwifery, College of Education, or the College of Business. Each of us has a unique role to play in contributing to the betterment of our communities. Let us give thanks to our Almighty Father for blessing us with the strength and perseverance to reach this milestone. As Proverbs 16:3 says, commit to the Lord whatever you do, and your plans will succeed. Without His guidance, we will not be here today. Let us all express our deepest gratitude to our parents, loved ones, friends, and to the people who stand beside us today, proud of our accomplishments and hopeful for our futures. Fellow graduates, congratulations on this momentous occasion. And once again, I welcome you to the 15th commencement exercise and the graduation day of Batch 2024. Congratulations to us all.